Hi, my name is Cheryl George. I'm a technical marketing engineer at NetApp. Today, I'm going to talk about how NetApp Snap Center enables data protection of your Microsoft Exchange environments. This slide depicts the basic architecture of data protection using NetApp Snap Center. I have the NetApp Snap Center, which is a centralized data protection application from where I essentially submit the data protection tasks like backup and restore of various applications, in this case Microsoft Exchange Server. So here we have a 3-node database availability group. Snap Center supports data protection of Microsoft Exchange Server in a standalone and a DAG configuration. So when I submit a backup job of the Exchange DAG, I essentially plug into the Volue Shadow Copy Service framework in order to enable this data protection. So the VSS helps me coordinate the interaction between my backup application, which is NetApp Snap Center, my Exchange hosts, and the databases that reside on the NetApp storage system. So when I submit a backup job, I essentially plug into the Volue Shadow Copy Service framework, which will help me enumerate the available writers on the host. In this case, the Exchange writer gets enumerated, and this also lists the metadata for the database that needs to be protected. So when I submit a backup job, I essentially specify the backup policy and the resource group that needs to be protected, which contains the Exchange database in question. So the backup policy contains settings for the backup type, database availability group settings, replication settings, and if you have any pre or post scripts that you want to run before or after the data protection tasks. So when I submit a backup job, I will plug into the Volue Shadow Copy Service framework, which enables me to quiesce the database that needs to be protected. So what quiesce means is that I freeze the input-output that occurs to the database, which enables me to take an application consistent backup of the database. Now when I freeze this database, this freeze occurs for a few seconds where the IOs are stopped. So when I freeze, I essentially reach out to the storage system that has my Exchange database, which is the EDB and the transaction log. And once I successfully take an application consistent backup of these databases, I respond with a success back into the VSS, which helps me to thaw the database. So what the thaw operation does is that it releases the freeze that I have on the database so that the IO can continue to occur against this database. So once the thaw occurs, I will respond to my backup application server of the success of this backup operation. Hence the metadata against the backup job is updated in the NetApp Snap Center server on which the backup job was submitted. So this was a basic overview of how data protection occurs from NetApp Snap Center against the hosts that are being protected, which is Microsoft Exchange Server. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us on netapp.com. There are blogs, podcasts, and TRs available. Since we're talking about data protection of Microsoft Exchange, please refer to TR 4681 that guides you with best practices when you want to protect Microsoft Exchange Server using NetApp Snap Center. Thank you.